Really nice short trades today to capture the wins on the short side. We were only 4 out of 10 on our strategies. So 40% of our strategies were winners today. 2 out of 4 on the S&P and 2 out of 6 on the NASDAQ were the only ones that were winners, but we were up today, 2,700. We had some big winners, but we had some losers to start the day with, so it was good to make a bounce back. We were around break even on the month, down a little bit, and it's just been a choppy open and choppy close and lots of reversals, and so I'm happy to be where we are on the month considering the market conditions that we're in. I'm going to show you the highlights on the day, the big reversal trades, and here is the momentum reversal. And you see a head and shoulders pattern. There's 2 days in a row where there's kind of a double head and shoulders pattern, especially if you look at the 24-hour chart. This is the day session chart. You see the shoulders, the head, or the two shoulders and then the head here. And momentum reversal, NASDAQ captures this short trade all the way into the close. Nice trade, up 4K. It only took out yesterday's low, though. So this big gap fill sell-off only took out yesterday's low. It didn't even take out the previous day's low or the 3 days ago low in the NASDAQ. And so the S&P did a little more damage on that. Let's take a look at that one. I do want to highlight the double head and shoulders that we had yesterday as well, though. Before we do that, you have to look at the 24-hour data. You see a head in a smaller time frame. You see on the 1 minute chart, you can see a head and then some shoulders here. The shoulders are there, head and shoulders there. It's harder to see on a 5 minute chart, and then you had a shoulder here. So you kind of had a head and then two shoulders here and then two shoulders here, and the market didn't roll over. It just kind of bounced up here. Then it gapped up. There was resistance here, and the market gapped above that resistance and then rolled over. So it fights the trend for a while. Double head and shoulders yesterday, gap up and head and shoulders today. Head and shoulders aren't necessarily topping patterns all the time, but this market's kind of gone straight up, and we're due for a little bit of a pullback. We have one there in the NASDAQ and S&P today. We'll see how that continues. Let's look at the S&P trade of the day. So you see that S&P trade of the day is momentum reversal as well, up about 3K, capturing that reversal. Nice entry. Felt like the market was going to reverse here. It felt like it was going to reverse here, here, here. We're used to seeing the market chop around here and then try to reverse, but it followed through today. So it was good to have this follow through to the downside, and nice short trade. The other short trade of the day was tick fader. You can see that trade right there. Small profit target, a little bit of a profit. So you have this winner. Cover 3 lost on the long side. Tick wave lost on the long side. So 2 for 4 on the S&P. Let's look back at the NASDAQ so we can see all the trades on the NASDAQ. So here are the NASDAQ trades. We went over momentum reversal right here, this big winner. Tick reversal had a small winner on the day. Got in a little late. Tick pulse stopped out on the long side. You know, these gap continuations, gap up continuations were a big trade in recent years, and it's been one of the worst trades lately. Anything that gap up, if you get long on a gap up lately, it just rolls over on you. So cover 3 lost, tick pulse lost, tick pullback lost, and then tick count trend lost on the long side, lost on the short side, and then it was profitable on the short side for the last trade, but overall was down on the day. So you had a 1, 2, 3, 4 losers, and then 1, 2 winners on the NASDAQ. And so those are the trades on the day, calling reversals with head and shoulders at the open, momentum reversals. And once again, here are the results on the day. The hypothetical end of day drawdown is 13,462.50. But like I said, we're right around break even on the month because we started after a drawdown. So 2 more trading days left. This is once again another holiday shortened week. We had I guess economic data at the open, PPI and retail sales. And so looking forward to Thursdays and Fridays trade. and getting something done before the end of the month has been pretty sideways so far since we started after the drawdown.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.